My best wishes to all of you. All the faces are known. I think hardly any face that I don't recognize, except that they are great. That's all.
At least they are wearing specs from the beginning.
Yes. What Dr. Vijay said, and then Vishnu and Madam called me up. I'm sorry, Nita.
Yes.
It took me back 40 years. And I told Nita, our journey started from a bathroom in Dara Singh building. Am I right, Vijay? But Dr. Kutty used to sit in the powder room, and HP 1000 was the data center in a bathroom. That is 1975-77. Right? That was our generation 1, NIC 1. From there to 85, 86, 84, 85, 86, we came with NIC 2. Then we had VSATs, data centers, all that stuff came out. Somewhere in 2009-10, we tried building up NIC 3. Got NKN, failed in NOFN. But today, my feeling is the time has come. A long cycle. Sheshagiri used to call, I must remember him at this point of time. The vision of the man was that we are here today. And according to him, what's important for us to be able to think through 10 years ahead. Just before coming here, I downloaded his 1998 report, 108.
Yeah.
Read it
Action.
now.
Action.
Read it now. You will realize what did he think. Where did he think about? Right? So when we talk about NIC 3, which partly we did at that point, but most of the things to be done now, the first is information. You will get technology, you can get everything. Today, the information is in a disparate mode, kept at different places. All governments are interested in profiling it, whatever may be the reason. The problem here is, if I want to give a proactive service as compared to reactive service, Dr. Y.K. Sharma tried at some point of time by creating for education scholarships. Is it possible for me to decide this child will get this scholarship from that place? Now, when we started only G2G, automating the systems of drudgery of the government, came to G2C in second version when we went up to the district. But today it has to be C2G, which means that I should be given by government my rights. By looking at my system, I don't care. I do work for Haryana government today. The whole data set is in a bad state. There's no way you can connect them together. To me, that's the first game that NIC has to understand, because NIC has the domain knowledge. And domain of all areas, not in one area, all areas, technology knowledge. Technology is moving very rapidly, as Dr. Vijay said. It's important that we understand technology. And what Sheshagiri used to say, that after 12 hours of your work here, 4 hours you must spend on technology. You have forgotten about it. I do it even today. Because if you don't update yourself, you have no use. You cannot compete with bureaucrats. Vijay said, I don't agree with Vijay. Today we have IIT grown bureaucrats. They understand technology perfectly well. Right? So it's important for us to maintain our little guys. Look for larger infrastructure that we need to have. We built our data center, which is 60,000. We jumped from 2,000 to 60,000. At that point, we thought we should go on 4 lakh square feet. Right? That's one area. Creating, Sheshagiri has referred to that, National Information Infrastructure. What should it be? But today, if you go back and tell the government that we will be able to integrate your data, they will give you anything that you can. Key problem is, how do we look at the standardization of data, standardization of metadata, standardization of technologies, interfacing of APIs. Technology platform has changed drastically. We continue to use conventional databases, which is not expandable beyond a limit. Can I have infinite scalability, horizontal and vertical? Answer is no. Today, imagine if you have 130 crore people talking about the data will grow exponentially. All data will come to you. Where will it go? They are scared of giving it to the cloud. So preparing yourself both from technology perspective, from information management perspective, integration perspective, and consequently looking at the upgradation of technology is going to be very important. My feeling is, I see from outside, I do work in lots of government departments. The statement Sheshagiri once gave was, there is a long cycle after which people come back to you. So a lot of people went away from you, but they are coming back to you. Are you prepared? I don't think you are. I was talking to Neeta yesterday when I was talking to her. One of the key questions is manpower. Every state government should be willing to give you as many posts as you want. Give them. So you have to think through the mechanism of giving infrastructure to the government, evolving a mechanism for manpower creation, get on contract 5 years, we planned wasn't. So look at all these components which government is looking for and give a proposal, and I'm sure you'll be able to get whatever you look for. And plan your version 3, or so-called NIC version 3, which should take you to the complete integration of the information that you have. And I think there's no shortcut to anybody in this country to avoid that. It's a matter of time, and it's a matter of how you are prepared yourself to take that advantage. Thank you. I won't take much time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your guidance. Now I request